like a damn Hungarian.
Thank you.
No, why is this motherfucker doing my shit? Do you have a lighter on you?
I do not.
I guess they stole mine, which makes me angry because I had a pretty lighter.
Aaron chicken salad again. Quack, quack, quack.
I've also...
Oh my god! Your cat just jumped like 3 feet in the freaking air.
I actually let cat one touch first into shit when she's doing...
Oh, quick little fucker. Too much to say over the phone.
Make her do it again, baby. Make her do it again.
I'll give it my time. I come up with good synonyms for
Come on, Peppa.
cowardly won't marry me loser who run away to California jackass.
I'm charismatic in person. These awesome hand gestures. And, I kind of waggle my eyebrows
Your cat's like jumping into the chair.
Yeah, that's helpful.
She's like Samurai Kitty.
I'll just show up and
My name is Peppa-san.
blow her mind. So Luke Skywalker, man, Knuckles, you just call him up. He hopped on the Millennium Falcon, and he made a little visit.
I'm so putting your cat on YouTube.
Wait a minute. Chickens go quack, or did I mess that up?
She said, how dare you?
I sat at my mom's house for 3 hours. Abby still hasn't called. Hey, you know what might make you feel better? Playing pinball. I love this.
She got a breath or was that a
I
hit?
don't have any quarters.
I think she's hissing. Either that or she's just fucking fed up with you.
You know what might help me? If you could tell me how you got over Jackie. You remember Jackie, don't you?
Who's Jackie?
Jackie was my dog. She died in a big wheel accident. No, and
Wait for it.
girlfriend. Also dead.
What's going on here? Why are you lying to me?
I'm not lying, Jackie. Annette. Look, maybe she thinks. Well, my work here is done. You want to go to California to get